Now we'll practice few standing postures. First, Tadasan. Place your feet touching each other. Spread out your toes. Stretch your feet forward. Straighten the knees. Contract your buttocks. Suck your stomach in. Lift the chest. Fully straighten your back. Neck upright. Look in the front. Relax your arms. Close your eyes and watch that your body weight is not falling on your knees. Now focus that your weight is equally balanced on both your feet. Relax your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.